Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Amir Dawawala and I am the CEO and founder of PMO Bytes Training and Consultation. This company has been there from the last 3 years in Doha, and we have been doing business in Qatar successfully, Alhamdulillah.
Developed in the 1980s, ITIL is the world's most popular IT service management framework, being used by millions of professionals around the world. Technology trends place IT and digital transformation at the core of any organization, and certified ITIL professionals who know how to create, deliver, and improve modern IT services have never been in greater demand. ITIL 4 Foundation introduces an end-to-end operating model for the creation, delivery, and continual improvement of technology-enabled products and services. This course is for anyone who needs to understand the key concepts of IT and digital service delivery, and who's interested in helping their organization embrace the new service management culture. It is for professionals at the start of their ITIL 4 journey or people looking to update their existing ITIL knowledge. We invite you to join this course to begin your ITIL journey and to acquire the knowledge and certification that will set you apart from the crowd.
So I was here in Qatar from the last 13 years in total, and Alhamdulillah I have worked in some mega projects. I was with Qatar Foundation, part of the joint venture MISA, and I had an opportunity to work in some mega projects, smart city projects, which was like Musharraf Doha downtown. And then in this journey I had Alhamdulillah done all the successes in terms of jobs and jobs opportunities. Then I realized that it is high time to go into the next level of career progression, and Alhamdulillah I tried doing business, and I come from a business background. So in the beginning of my career also, early days in India when I was young, I started as an entrepreneur, and now eventually again I've gotten to the same thing, and it's been tough, but Alhamdulillah, tough gets you going, that's how it is.
True.
Yeah, so we started slowly and eventually we kept growing, and this is what I believe should be the way to go ahead, because things don't dramatically change. It takes time to eventually grow the business. So we started step by step. I was actually trying to do certain things on the web, on the internet first, trying to promote our services in the beginning. And then eventually when I saw the traction, people got interested in our services and products, then I switched over. I 100% got exactly got into business.
Yes. Hi, my name's Dion Young. I've recently passed the Prince 2 Foundation course that was facilitated here with PMO Bytes in Doha. I found the course was structured very well. The learning materials that PMO Bytes have supplied and the guidance from the facilitator have been excellent, structured in a very logical way. The advice provided as well around how to approach the learning materials and to get the best out of them for my learning experience and to enable me to pass the exam. All of that was very good quality, high quality. I highly recommend PMO Bytes for the Prince 2 training, and I am actually now doing the Prince 2 practitioner course through them.
So PMO Bytes as a company has 3 services. We provide mainly training for a lot of certification courses which are very well known in the market globally, and people who are looking for a new job or opportunity to get into a kind of a career progression, they would have to do these certifications. So as an example, a person from IT, he would like to go for an ITIL course, and these certifications are rare with quality provisioning in Qatar, and that's what we focus on. We try to provide excellent quality and with practical learning, so people just don't understand how it's done academically, but how it's done practically only with the years of experience I have. So that's one vertical about training. The second vertical which we have is the consultancy, where we have a lot of I would say experienced people, part of our network and associates, who we give an opportunity and who are linked to us, and any consultancy job or any consultancy, I would say, company requiring in terms of management growth, and if they want to optimize all their processes, their solutions around project management and IT management, around governance and management, we get into it, we understand, we analyze what the company wants to do, how they want to get better, and we put our consultants, and I also do these services myself also, and then we understand and make their job or their whole working environment better. That's another one. Third is we have our product which is called as Q Punch. This is again a smart project management solution. It is again present for global audience, not just Qatari audience, and it's been live from the last 2 years. And we have subscribers using this product from Canada, from UK, from different regions. So it's getting popular. The idea of this product is also to actually organize people's work in terms of the whole project. Around the project there are a lot of people working. Now how to get all these people work as a team, organize themselves, all their activities transparent among each other, visible via dashboards, so that is the goal of this application. It's been alhamdulillah working well. We have Uridu as one of our prime customers using this application from the last 3 years. So basically alhamdulillah we have stabilized ourselves. We getting a good kind of attention in the Qatari market. A lot of customers are approaching us, but we want to go beyond Qatar now. Alhamdulillah we are already establishing ourselves in this Middle East region. We are talking to a lot of people in Oman. We are talking to a lot of people in Saudi Arabia. I already got some deals in Dubai. So we are trying to expand regionally, and then inshallah we will go global. That is the whole idea. So from Qatar we want to serve the whole global. That is the idea. So I would first of all like to thank His Highness and the whole Qatari community in terms of all the government bodies, because they have set a stage for a lot of people to be successful. I mean, obviously things are not easy, and if there is no support mechanism from the government, it becomes more difficult, which is not the case in Qatar. There are a lot of opportunities. Like initially I was part of a program provided by Ministry of Transportation and Communication, which helped entrepreneurs in the beginning to set up their own offices and give them some opportunities like the network, reach out to the customers, and that way I had that stepping stone which made us stabilize in the beginning and go to the next level. So because of all this, Qatar is a good place to do business. Alhamdulillah, there is a lot of infrastructure Qatar is building day by day, which is actually making this country a promising country to serve from here to multiple regions. That's how I see it. I would like to thank first of all my family. My family has been very supportive from day one. As things were tough for me, things were tough for them also. It has a domino effect, but alhamdulillah they stood by me in every step. They were supporting me, because of which where I am right now. I would like to thank my father, who actually put this kind of a spirit in me to go tough, and keep going. So whenever the situation is tough, don't just give up, be persistent. And alhamdulillah, I would like to thank all the people who've trusted me, to get into alliance with us and become our customers, because it's all about, in business is like a give and take, and it's a trust relationship. If there is no trust, business cannot happen. So people have to trust you, and alhamdulillah they trusted us in the beginning as a startup, as a new company, and they gave us the business. And alhamdulillah, I mean, we've been proving ourselves, so it's growing now, alhamdulillah.